Good morning, students. In previous class, uh, chapter 5, good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed chapter 5, exercise 5.1 up to 4 sums we discussed. From 5th sum onwards, we'll see now. Fifth one, in a primary school, there shall be three teachers to 60 students. If there are 400 students enrolled in the school, how many teachers should be there in the school in the same ratio? So here, how to do this one? For 660 students, we have 3 teachers. For 400 students, X teachers. We don't know that now, X teachers. So here we can write here student teachers ratio 60:30 is equal to here 400 is to X. So when two ratios are equal, because it is given in the same ratio, no, product of extremes equal to product of means. 60 into X, 60X, 300 into 400. The 60 transpose that side, 30 into 400 by 60. 0, 0 cancel, 2 times 200. So for 400 students, how many teachers are required here? 200. So for 400 students, 200 teachers required. So like that you have to do this sum. Okay, students. Now we'll see the next question. That is sixth one. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle. Write all possible ratios by taking measures of sides pairs wise. Here the diagram is given like this. This is A, B, C. Okay, 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 10 centimeters. So ratio, how many ratios we can make by taking measures of these sides? So what we have to find here, write all possible ratios. So here already given that first here 3 sides are given, In triangle ABC, AB equal to 8 centimeters, BC is equal to 6 centimeters, AC equal to 10 centimeters. First you can take the ratio AB is to BC, that is 8 is to 6, 2 table will go no, 4 is to 3. Next BC is to AC, that is 6 is to 10, 2 table will go, 3 is to 5. Next AB is to AC, that is 8 is to 10, 4 is to 5. Next we can write BC is to AB, reversely we can write no, you will get 3 is to 4. Next we can write AC is to BC, that one we can write 5 is to 3, and last one AC is to AB, that is 4 is to 5. So like that how many possible ratios we can write? 6 possible ratios we can write. So like that you have to write the possible ratios of the sides of this pairs of this triangle. Okay. Now we'll see the next one. Next one we'll see. Seventh sum. Seventh one, if 9 out of 24 students, 9 out of 24 students scored below 75% marks in a test, find the ratio of student scored below 75% marks to the students scored 75% and above marks. So 9 out of 24 students scored below 75% marks, and we have to find the ratio of marks scored by 75% marks to the students school and 75% above. So here solution, number of students scored below 75% is equal to 9 members. Number of students scored 75% and above is total students 24 minus 9 subtract, what will you get? 15. So these 15 students may get 75% and above 75%. So ratio of below 75% and 75% above is equal to 9 is to 15. 3 table will go, 3 3s, 3 5s. So what is the ratio of the students who got below 75% and 75% and above 75% is 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5. Okay. Now we will see the next one. Eighth one, find the ratio of number of vowels in the word Mississippi. Mississippi to the number of consonants in the simplest form. So here you can take the word, what is the word here? Mississippi. So number of vowels, how many number of vowels are there here? Vowels means A-E-I-O-U. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vowels are there. Number of consonants. Number of consonants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So ratio of vowels to consonants is equal to 4:7. 4:7. So like that you have to find out. Okay. So ninth sum here. Rajendra and Rahana own a business. Rahana receives 25% of the profit in each month. If Rahana received rupees 2080 in a particular month, what is the total profit in that month? Okay. Here how to do this sum? 25% profit she got this one, no? So 25% profit she got rupees 2080. Total profit means 100% profit. How much? We don't know, X rupees. So we can take 25:100 is equal to 2080 is to X. So here we can simplify 25 1 jar for 25, 25 4 jar. 1:4 equal to 2080 is to X. So if two ratios are equal, we should do product of extremes equal to product of means. X into 1 X, 4 into this one. So total profit is rupees 8,320 in that particular month. So actually total profit is 8,320. Rahana received only 25%, means 2080. So remaining profit Rajendra got. Okay. Thank you.